Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by organizing the files. Save the Excel sheet and note the worksheet name and cell range you need. Open Autocad and set drawing units so the table scales correctly. Once done, choose whether you want a live update link or a static table. Close Excel if you prefer static, or keep it open for dynamic links. Now, in Autocad, go to the Insert tab and pick the Data Link Manager to begin creating the link and mapping the range. You create the actual link in the Data Link Manager by adding a new Excel data link and giving it a descriptive name so you can reuse it. Next, navigate to the workbook path, pick the correct worksheet, and type or drag select the specific cell range to import. Make sure you choose link options. Enable Live Update if you want changes to propagate, preserve Excel formatting if needed, and set a table style for Autocad. Once configured, insert the table into your drawing at the chosen insertion point. You place the linked table and position it precisely. Scale the table to match drawing units so text and cells align with your layout. Once the table is inserted, you can right-click the table to update, reload, or break the link if you need a static snapshot. If values don't match, make sure the Excel path is correct and the cell range includes headers, and verify Autocad units versus Excel assumptions. Troubleshooting tip: if updates fail, relink using the full.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.